just started with Secret Lady. First to show quickness at the start. Running by the rail comes Black Parade. In the middle portion comes Pedro Penduko. Moreno Valley comes next. Potomac River, Imperial Story, Palace Station, Taxi, while Dagat-Dagatan Kid is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Secret Lady by about 2 lengths. Black Parade in second. Moving up now on the outside is Pedro Penduko. Down in third comes Moreno Valley. Potomac River comes next. Imperial Story, Palace Station, Taxi, while Dagat-Dagatan Kid is still running at the tail of the field. Down the backstretch they travel 2 and 3. Spotted out for the lead. Running viral Secret Lady, and on the outside comes Pedro Penduko. Next on line is Black Parade. Moreno Valley, Imperial Story comes next. Potomac River. Next on line is Taxi, Dagat-Dagatan Kid, while Palace Station now running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Secret Lady. This time draws clear by about 4 lengths. Remains in second is Pedro Penduko with about 150 meters more to run. We have Secret Lady followed now by Imperial Story with about 50 meters of the race. We have Secret Lady followed by Imperial Story, and finally it's Secret Lady, Imperial Story, Potomac River.
Yun nga, at meron tayong photo for third between 8, Potomac River, and 1 Taxi. Pero clear natin doon for race number 1, 6, and 7. Ganda ng ating forecast, sandaan sa kombinasyong 6-7. Alright. Wala po tayong pagbabago sa ating lineup ng karera for today. Kung meron man, mamaya, i-announce na lang po namin sa inyo yan. And that's Jackie J.V. Guse, ang ating icebreaker. Ang kwartos ni Secret Ladies, 12.5, 24.5, 25.5, 28.5. Total time is 1 minute 31 seconds flat para kay Secret Lady.